Are you looking for the best headphones for seniors? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best headphones for seniors on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Avantree Opera Plus. The Avantree wireless over-ear headphones are designed for clear and immersive TV listening, featuring 2 sound modes: clear dialogue mode, which enhances speech clarity, ideal for seniors or those with hearing difficulties, and cinema mode for rich movie experience. These headphones deliver up to 20% louder sound without distortion, making it easier for users with hearing challenges to enjoy their favorite shows. They support soundbar sharing with pass-through, allowing family members to listen via the soundbar while you use the headphones, perfect for shared TV watching. The package includes a 2.4 GHz wireless transmitter and charging dock for easy plug-and-play setup, and when detached, the headphones also function as a Bluetooth headset compatible with smart TVs, phones, and tablets. Designed for all-day comfort, they have spacious over-ear cushions and a lightweight frame to minimize pressure during extended use. Plus, the 2.4 GHz wireless connection offers ultra-low latency for perfectly synchronized audio and video without lag. Number 2. Soundcore by Anker Q20i. The Soundcore over-ear headphones feature hybrid active noise cancelling technology with 2 internal and 2 external microphones that reduce up to 90% of ambient noise like airplane engines and traffic. Equipped with oversized 40mm dynamic drivers and bass-up technology, these headphones deliver detailed sound with powerful bass, and support high-res certified audio via auxiliary for enhanced clarity. They offer an impressive 40-hour battery life with ANC on, extending to 60 hours in normal mode, plus fast charging that provides for hours of playback from just 5 minutes of charging. With Bluetooth 5.0, users can connect to 2 devices simultaneously and switch seamlessly between them. The Soundcore app allows customizable EQ settings with 22 presets and 3 listening modes: ANC, normal, and transparency, helping you tailor your sound experience. Transparency mode lets you stay aware of your surroundings, ideal for hearing announcements or staying connected while commuting. Number 3. JBL Live 660NC. The JBL Live 660NC over-ear headphones deliver the signature JBL sound with powerful 40mm drivers, providing an immersive audio experience found in the world's top venues. Featuring adaptive noise cancelling technology, these headphones block out unwanted noise while allowing you to stay aware of your surroundings with ambient aware mode. The talk-through feature lowers music and amplifies speech for easy conversations without removing the headphones. With voice assistant support and customizable controls via the JBL app, managing your audio experience is effortless. Enjoy crystal-clear stereo calls with advanced microphones and voice-aware technology, allowing you to hear your own voice naturally during calls. The headphones offer up to 50 hours of battery life, or 40 hours with ANC on, and a quick 10-minute charge provides an additional 4 hours of playback. Designed for comfort, the fabric headband and soft ear cushions make long listening sessions enjoyable, and the included carrying pouch makes them easy to take on the go. Plus, with multi-point Bluetooth connection, you can seamlessly switch between devices, ensuring you never miss a call or important audio. Number 4. Sennheiser RS 120W. The Sennheiser HDR 120W on-ear wireless headphones deliver high-quality, crystal-clear, and well-balanced stereo sound, enhancing your TV listening experience. With 3 sound modes, speech, music, and neutral, you can easily tailor the audio to suit your preferences for TV shows, music, podcasts, or streaming videos. The headphones feature an ergonomic volume control dial for intuitive adjustment right on the ear cup, ensuring ease of use. Designed for exceptional comfort, they are lightweight with low headband pressure, making them perfect for long viewing sessions. Enjoy up to 20 hours of playback time on rechargeable AAA batteries and experience freedom of movement with a wireless range of up to 60 meters, thanks to digital transmission that eliminates analog static. The included transmitter doubles as a charging dock and connects easily to TVs via RCA or 3.5mm audio plugs. The package comes complete with rechargeable batteries, country adapters, and all necessary cables for seamless setup and use. Number 5. LEVN Wireless Headphones. The LEVN over-ear wireless TV headphones offer a private and comfortable home entertainment experience, perfect for late-night movie watching without disturbing family or neighbors. Designed especially for those with hearing impairments, they provide clear sound with easy volume adjustment. Featuring Bluetooth 5.2 technology and ultra-low latency of less than 40 milliseconds, these headphones ensure perfectly synchronized audio and lip reading, with a strong connection range of up to 30 meters, 100 feet. Setup is hassle-free with plug-and-play functionality, including 3 audio cables, optical, auxiliary 3.5 millimeters, and RCA, and Bluetooth connectivity for versatile compatibility. With an impressive battery life of up to 65 hours on a single charge, you can enjoy uninterrupted movie marathons. Their headphones recharge conveniently by placing them on the transmitter, eliminating cable clutter. Comfort is prioritized with high-quality protein leather and breathable cotton earmuffs, making them ideal for long listening sessions. LEVN also provides dedicated customer support to enhance your personalized and enjoyable TV entertainment experience.